Yay!
Ampalaya with itlog. Tamban pa more.
Tamban pa more. Nagsasawa na rice.
Diba?
Filipino.
Namiss ko lang ang Filipino food.
Special malikang Joby. Kaya yung ko nga namiss na magkitingali niya ang Filipino food.
Thank you,
Yes.
tita.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
May okra pa pala dito, guys.
Enjoy. Asa man ito sa inyong tayo?
Lagi.
Oh, she's not crying.
It's you, Anthony. It's you.
Little Miss Hubbard.
I like that.
Paris is time.
Oh my God.
Excited, mommy?
Yes, very. Good morning. Good morning, mga anak. Mga anak talaga. Welcome back
To our channel.
to our channel. How about you, Celine? Welcome back to our channel. Oh, God bless you, my love. God bless you. What day is it today, Paris?
Friday.
Nearly. It's Thursday today. Tomorrow is Friday.
Friday.
Yes. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, people. And nakabihis ang mga tao dito. So, binihisan ko na ang ating mga babies. Ayan. Pati si mami nakabihis na rin, guys. So, we are all good to go. So, today ay pupunta tayo kina Tita Christine. Yesterday kasi ng umaga, tinawagan niya ako. Sabi niya, meron ba kaming happenings today? Kung wala daw, punta daw kami sa kanila. So, unfortunately, until now, wala pa rin yung sasakyan natin. So, we have to take Uber. To be honest, guys, ayoko talagang mag-Uber. Hindi dahil sa, kung anong rason, bakit ayoko mag-Uber. It's very hard kasi, ito siya, kailangan ko yung pram niya, diba? Yes,
I found Ayla.
Did you? She found Ayla daw. So, kailangan ko yung pram niya. So, alam niyo ba kung gaano kahirap? Hindi ko nga alam kung paano if it's possible to do. Kasi yung gagawin is you have to put the pram in the boot ng sasakyan. So, ever since talaga na kami lang naiwan dito kasi nga si daddy nag-work na hindi kami umalis ng nag-u-Uber. Kasi yun na nga, there's no way sinong maghahawak kay baby Celine habang nilalagay ko yung pram sa likuran ng sasakyan. So today, since doon naman kami pupunta kina Tita Christine, yung dadalhin ko na lang is yung carrier niya. So I don't need to, put anything in the boot. So ilalagay ko lang sa sa bag. Tapos I carry them both sa likod ng sasakyan. It's very annoying, guys. Hanggang ngayon wala pa rin yung sasakyan and it's very frustrating na wala man lang silang update kung ano yung mga ano yung pangyayari sa aming sasakyan, guys. Hopefully our car is okay, no? But Paris, are you excited to go see Tita and Nanay? And Titos and Titas again?
Is Tita Christine.
No, it's Nanay Christine.
Sorry.
She is my tita. She is your nanay. Can you say Nanay Christine?
My Christine.
Good girl. How about you, Celine? Can you say Nanay Christine? Celine? Can you say Nanay?
He said it already.
Did she?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear it. Sorry.
I heard.
Kasi, pupunta daw kami kina Nanay Lily ko. So, yung family ko kasi dito, guys, sa Brisbane, they are next to each other. So, literally, the same street lang sila nakatira. So, walking distance lang sila from, isa. So, doon kami pupunta kina Tita Christine first, and then, punta kami kina Nanay Lily. I haven't seen Nanay Lily since we got here in Brisbane. So, we've been here for nearly, 3 weeks. Hindi pa kami nakita. Pero tawag-tawag kami, of course. Wala lang ang chance na dahil nga walang sasakyan. We have to go now. Can you help Celine, Ray?
Of course.
Thank you. You're such a good ate. Ready to go, I'm Celine. Okay, let's go, kiddos. And I think it's still raining. Oh my goodness, open the door now. Have a look outside.
How about we go to Christine?
I know! Me too, honey. Alam niyo ba, ngayon lang yata, since dumating kami dito, ngayon lang siya umulan ng araw. I think, I know. No, I'm talking shit. I'm talking crap, guys. Hindi umulan pala before. But normally kasi, gabi siya umuulan. Pag umaga na, ay, nag-ano na, okay na.
I want to go in my puddles.
Mari, paras careful di anak, maligyan ka na. So, we did some washing yesterday. Nabasa na yung sa gilid. Alam niyo ba, meron kaming sinampay sa likuran. Good luck. Basang-basa sa ulan na. Na-ages na talaga yun. Basang-basa sa ulan. Alrighty. Nak, wag wait, nak, we come inside. You like it ka karang ma-ilantan ka. So, chinek ko na before. Tingnan nyo. Going sa kinatita, Uber is $28.25. Ayan. Anak, what we gonna do?
I feel like going to taxi.
Huh?
Going to taxi.
Taxi?
Yeah, and it will be better than.
Okay. But I don't have money for taxi. What we gonna do?
I got money.
Do you? How much money have you got?
24.
24, and that's not enough because it's 28 for the taxi. Hintay muna kami, guys. Baka lumila yung ulan. Hindi naman talaga siya malakas, pero natatakot ako baka lagnat ang ating mga baby girls. Hello, Baba Show. Hello, hi, Tita and Tito. There. See? Hi, Tita and Tito. How are you today? Si Daddy Mike natin ay nag-work, obviously. And we're not sure kung anong oras kami makaka-uwi mamaya. So, I'll just leave yung key dyan, somewhere dito sa ilalim para pagka-uwi niya ay makakapasok siya. B? Hello? Wow! Tingnan niyo naman ang legs, oh. Wow, legs! Wow, legs! Wow, legs! Ate? Show me your money, be. Okay, have you got enough? Hindi na siya makapaghintay. Mag-taxi na daw, guys. Punta na daw siya kay Nanay Christine niya. Yes, anak. Anak. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Kasi umuulan siya, pero hindi siya sobrang init. Alam niyo ba kung paano kainit kahapon? So, naglakad-lakad kami kahapon, guys. Sobrang init. And then, today, kasi nga umuulan, so it's only 25 degrees, so it's perfect. Hindi siya sobrang ginaw, hindi din siya mainit. Okay, that's okay. Show, Tita and Tito, be, how much money you got, be? And just enough for the taxi? Now, what's inside your bag now? You have so much in there.
I do.
You do.
Because I like so many.
You like so many things. Who gave you the money? Who? Who?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Did I? Si Paris as a city Oh my goodness.
I got more too.
You got more? Oh yeah, natago ka.
Sorry.
Okay.
Looking, get it?
Get it. Get it before the person gets it. We're here now, guys. Nakatulog na ang ating baby Celine. Napakahirap, guys. Are we in the right one na? Is this the one na? Alam niyo ba? Hang on, Baba. Pumunta kami dyan, guys. Hindi pala yan. Ito pala. Unit 1 pala na. Hindi unit 2.
Now we're going to
Yeah. We'll call Nanay Christine. Nanay Christine. Mag-ayo ta nak. Ayo. Say ayo nak. Say ayo. Louder.
come out.
Say ayo.
Are you?
Ayo. Sige, ayo. So Nanay Christine will come out. Come on, say ayo. Ayo ba?
Say it.
Ayo. Okay, your turn.
Are
Ayo.
Ayo. Ayo, dayon.
Ayo.
Ay, so cute.
No, uy.
Asa mo maglatod?
Asa mo mita?
Oh, yun.
Here you go. Nasa bahay na siya ng kanyang nanay. Nanay Christine. Nanay Christine. Andito na ang ating Ate Paris. Ate? Naglalaro ng... Where's Leon? I'll show you in my vlog. Yes, my Tita Christine. O, diba? Maganda rin.
Tigos na, tigos. Kanina siya, oh. Si Jovi ba, oh? Original din na siya, man.
Kasi ng aking Modra Bells. So,
Yeah.
sabi ni Paris the other day, sabi niya, Mommy, Nanay Christine looks like Lula Vilma.
Yay! You're
Because they're cousin na.
Yeah.
Because their cousin. They
Yeah.
have the same blood.
So, Mish looks like your,
Lola.
Lola Vilma?
Yeah?
Yay!
Ang laki ng kanilang cut. There you go.
That's so funny, Mom.
Hmm?
That's so funny.
Very funny. The cut is very funny. Leon is not moving. Oh. Is he gone? She didn't like the fish. She didn't like the fish.
Come over here, Mom.
Silin.
Paris is eating.
Ikaw, Adjo.
Nagiganahan siya taong.
Huh?
Ganahan siya.
Mayo. I can cook some more. You like it? Yay!
Ang palaya with itlog. Tamban pa more.
Tamban pa more. Nagsasawa na rice.
diba?
Filipino.
Miss ko lang ang Filipino
Filipino
food.
yun. Special man ikang Joby. Kaya yung ko nga, na-miss na magitingali niya ang Filipino food.
Thank you,
Yes.
tita.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
May okra pa pala dito, guys.
Enjoy. Asa man ito sa inyong kain?
Lagi. Andito na naman ang aking mga friendsan. Hi, friends. Enjoy. Dito pa rin kami kina Tita Christine, guys.
Look up. Look up. I'm like, oh, she's smiling.
Again. Maganda dito, guys, kasi may katulong ako. Oh, di ba?
Look at her dress. It's so pretty. Oh.
Oh, bobo, oh, bobo. May humahawak sa ating baby girl.
There you go.
Nakaka-relax ang arm ng kanyang mama.
You wanna stand?
Nag-change ng damit, guys. Oh, si sobrang na-wet na sa kanyang laway. Laway-laway pa more.
Oy, kasi pag
Look how pretty her dress is.
Nam. What's wrong?
So chubby.
What is wrong?
Look at her pretty dress.
Bagaon, masad good ni O nga panapton. Yes. We have to change their wardrobe, Lagita. We need to,
Lagi.
get something, flowy.
That's
Kaya nga.
Kuya
Wala,
Anthony's.
Wala rasay na matulinan ba?
Tama na na. Sunod bulan, nawa na.
Okay,
yun.
okay, look here.
May paparis ta kay. Kuan kay sa tawagan ni iyang sinina na itong 1-year-old. Igo gapon.
Hoy! Kaon, oy! Sa maning bataan ni nga di man mo dako.
Nak, 8 year. Kuan, apple anak.
Just Johnny.
I'm just drawing.
Come on.
What are you drawing?
Baby.
Wow, that's so good.
You should have a big pipe, huh?
Look, say hi to the camera.
Wait, nasa...
Hello.
Laway-laway ka na. It's nearly 5 o'clock, guys. Nandito pa rin kami kina Tita Christine. Ang aking magandang tita. Dito. Here. It's cool here, nak. Yes? It's cooler here. Umiiyak siya sa kwarto na initan yata. Hindi kami nakapunta kina guys, kina Nanay Lily kasi may work pala siya. Punta sana kami ba? Para ma-meet niya ito. May trabaho pala ang ating nag-iisang Nanay Lily.
They haven't met, have they?
No, first time sana nilang mag-meet. Not, no? It's okay. Next time. Maybe we'll come here on the weekend. So.
What day on the weekend?
Saturday? Are you free?
I'll be here on Saturday.
So are you out on Sunday?
Yeah.
Party?
No. Day. I'm good.
Charot! Sana all my date. Sana all my date. Enjoy my date na.
Yeah, I get to spend time with the baby.
Yeah.
On Saturday.
Na.
You're famous. Look.
Yeah? You love it, yeah? Yeah? Minsan si Tita Joy, si Tita Prince, pag nito si Tito AJ, ang daming naghahawak, guys. Oh my God, malaki na ang arms ko, guys. Oh, kakahawak ba? Ngayon, meron na silang, meron ng, ang tawag yung substitute.
Yeah.
Ha? May naghahawak na sa ating baby.
Helping Apia. This baby.
Ay, nagkakape pala ako. Hindi ka magkape, Joy? Nagkakape, pinakalimutan ko ang kape ko. Wala na. Cold na ang ating coffee. May turon pa si Tita Christine dito, guys, oh. Turon. Nakahingi nga ng isa. Hindi na tama ng hid. Ate Paris here. What are you drawing, Parasicle?
The water with the fish.
Water with a fish? Oh my goodness.
Look it.
Can you tell me a story?
I don't have storybooks.
Oh, okay.
Look.
Isn't that a storybook?
Nah.
What is it?
A coloring book.
A coloring book only. Okay. Gustong-gusto din ni Paris siyang dito, guys, kasi nilalaro ng kanyang Tito Prince. So, hindi siya nag-iisa. You're not feeling lonely, ano? Good job! Where's the fish?
Here.
Ah, okay.
And the water's here.
Ah, okay. Jump. The fish jump?
And the water.
The fish is in the frying pan already.
I can't draw. Look. Carrying her.
Yay! Who's holding you now? Another one. Another one. Another Tito. Hey! Tito Anthony. Daghana kasi ang tito ug tita, oy. Feel love na ka na siya. Ang relax na siya, oh. You're relaxing. Oh, look at her. She's just like lying there. No, cool. This is cool.
Yes. Oh, she wants to sit.
You want to sit down?
Sitting properly?
She wants to see.
She wants to stand. There you go. Okay, dress.
She wants to see what's in here. You're flushing.
Sorry. Oh no.
There you go. Music, baby.
And who's the, and who's this?
It's
It's the lawyer. The lawyer is here. Say hi, Joanne.
Hi,
That's Joanne, see? My lawyer cousin. Ay, pa rin.
I got you out of jail. Not.
We have our own lawyer now. Doon na. Doon na ta maglisod ang mga tawag lawyer ta. Nanay mo pa?
Oh, good.
I'll put this
We
up.
have a lawyer.
Manihapon nami, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, fiesta. Ang isa doon, naghilom-hilom. Playing with the cats. Ate Paris. Ate Paris. You okay?
Cry? Oh, don't cry. Why you crying?
Usually standing up she sits.
Are you good?
Aww. She's like a bakery selling rolls. Oh, dig, dig.
Celine Ray Bakery.
Look at her legs are crying. So
Push them.
Gani, naglahi po siya sa iyong bangag, oh.
Oh, she's so crying.
It's you, Anthony. It's you.
She wants a lawyer.
I think she likes it when she
Ding,
doesn't
ding.
face you.
Ding, ding.
Because like, she was
Everybody, this is a promo. Please come to Celine Ray Bakery. Don't cry.
Ay, nye, 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 nye.
the $3,000 fee.
Ah, bub, bub, bub.
You wanna go?
No, you know what? She wants it when you're standing.
Do you want this?
Yeah, that probably. What she want? Yeah.
Yay!
Problem solved. Ah, she pulled it. Oh, put it back. Well done.
Alright. Doesn't like to sit. She wants to stand. So cute.
She's not bending her knee. No. Not doing it. Prince can't get over.
Yeah,
Yeah.
chunky legs.
Ah. Paris, it's time to go home, anak. Paris. Hala.
Oh,
Ayaw niyang umalis.
She's
Do you wanna stay here? You wanna stay here?
It's okay, we'll just leave her here.
Yeah. We're gonna see Daddy.
She can take this room tonight.
Okay. Alright.
My come.
You wanna come? Okay. We're going now, okay?
You come.
Oh, of course you come. Of course I'm coming. Here's Celine Ray. Here's Celine Ray. It's nearly 8 o'clock, people. So we are going home. Tita, thank you for everything today.
It's alright. We got the one.
We're going home
No
na.
problem. Lagan.
Laagan nga bata.
Lagan nga bata. Hello. Hala, Lulu. Lulu. Hala, banatan sa Lulu.
So many kisses, ah.
So many.
So many kisses.
Ang upaw.
Oh, shush.
Ang upaw, gihalo ka.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for the bring house punta.
No problem.
Mura magpista. Then I bring house. Come on, Ate Paris. Where's your shoes? Ayaw pa talaga niya.
I'm gonna look more.
Ah, okay. Time check, people. It's 10 o'clock ng gabi and we are home. We're home. It's home where Daddy is.
Yes, Mama's in my heart. That's where she is. Actually.
Natid kami dito ng pinsan ko, guys. And pumasok pa kasi sila dito, nag-usap-usap pa kami dito before sila umuwi. Kaya medyo natagalan yung pagtulog ng ating baby Celine kasi ayaw din matulog kapag nandito pa yung mga tao. So, yeah. How's your day, Daddy?
Jack and Jill. Yeah, it was alright.
Daddy was already sleeping when we got here. We woke him up.
Okay, so your turn.
Oh, meron pa pala tayong food.
Hi, your turn.
I'll put the food away. Actually, I think I'm going to eat. Ano? Pinadala kasi ni Tita Christine sa akin yung mga naiwan na pagkain. Parang fiesta lang, guys. So, pinadala niya ako ng rice. And we've got turon. We've got some ganito, oh. Spanish daw to kasi yung husband ni Tita Christine is Spanish. Ang dami niyang pinadala. Tingnan niyo. And then, we've got this. Oh my God, yummy. Ito yung kakainin ko ngayon. Adobo. What else? Oh, pinadala pa talaga to ni Tita Christine. Oh my God, my favorite. Yung sardinas na, piniritong sardinas. And then, ito yung ampalaya na may itlog. So, I'm gonna heat up some. I'm going to eat. But beforehand, I'm just gonna show you my stuff here, guys. Meron akong mga bit-bit.
Again.
Hello, the parents.
I'm playing this game. Roll the dice. Get one. If you get the bad one, you can only have this letter.
Okay, Daddy gets to choose now.
Naintindihan niyo ba yung explanation niya, guys? Pinadala sa akin ni Tita Christine. Have a look at this one, Daddy.
What?
Clothes, yung mga damit na pang malaki na.
Right then.
Pang malaki na. Bigay niya kay Ate Paris tsaka kay
Paris then.
BBC.
My turn.
I think maghihintay pa tayo ng 5 years or 6 years para maisuot yun ng Ate Paris natin.
I'll hold it for you, Daddy. I'll hold it.
Ayan. Sabi ko, ikikip ko na lang kasi sayang din naman, guys, diba? Sabi ni Tita Christine, pag magpili ka dyan,
Stop.
and then just
Oh,
put
this
it
one.
in the wardrobe. Ayan. Ang ganda pa talaga, guys.
I want this one.
See? Size 8 to size 10. Ayan, Daddy.
Wow. Who's that for?
Snacky. Have a look at this. Woo!
That's
Got more.
Okay, I want this one in
Whip
the back.
curl. Sa pinagtatrabahoan daw to ni Tita Christine, guys. Sa binigay daw sa
Come from the Piper's son. That's Daddy's one.
Sobrang dami.
Paris turn.
Marami pa doon, guys. Pinilian ko lang yung... Ay, sabi ko sa sarili ko na alam kong suotin ni Paris. Sobrang tagal pa, but you know what? It's fine. Ayan. Branded na sila lahat pa.
Do it again.
Super.
Do it again because it's not properly.
Oh. Seed. This one is from Zara.
I was going to keep trying.
This one
Yay,
is
Daddy.
also beautiful skirt and it's from Seed. Hindi ko na isa-isahin, guys. Uy, tatagalan tayo dito. Tingnan niyo. Basta, magaganda
Little Miss
silang
Muffin.
lahat.
Okay, Paris turn.
Tingnan niyo. Diba? Mga Zara sila.
Pick.
This dress,
What did you get?
super nice. Kasya pa siguro sa akin to, guys.
Wow.
Siguro sa akin to, kasya ba? Very, stretchy.
Yellow.
Ito super nice din. Ayan. And then,
Mary had a little lamb.
may parcel ako. Yung binili ko online sa eBay.
I really like it.
Doon ko pinadala sa kanila kasi wala pa kami.
Any more tax?
I don't open that.
No, not this one because this is domestic.
Okay, your turn, Paris.
Guess what?
What's it?
Ting.
Paris, you keep losing. Daddy got it. Green.
Sobrang tagal nito dumating, guys.
Get one. I did one.
Have a look.
I think
Oh my
Daddy's
god,
winning
I'm
now,
so
isn't he?
excited for this.
This one, I want it.
Daddy.
Oh, Mama's shoes.
My open the box.
Open the
Oh, look what Daddy got. Little Miss Hubbard.
I like that.
Price is 10.
Oh my god.
Excited, mommy?
Yes, very excited. So, ayan guys ang ating shoes. I bought this one. Pre-loved. I really love these shoes guys. Kung nakita nyo sa previous video natin, tinay ko to siya brand new. And it was very, very expensive.
Oh, is that
Oh my god.
old Mother Hubbard? That's the same one as me.
Pre-love siya, but have a look.
No,
Tingnan, hindi talaga siya like,
Yeah.
ano talaga,
That is
yung worn talaga. Dali no, have a look.
Wow.
Still,
Perfect.
yeah, it's still perfect condition. And I paid a fraction of the,
Yeah, this
ano,
one.
Mommy, you got this too, mine. Mine.
that's dirt. It's pre-loved. Thank you, Ate.
Yeah.
You know, like the brand new for this one, how much was that, Daddy?
1300.
No, 1450.
What was this?
Yeah, thank you, Anak.
Darren.
1,450 yung kaniyang brand new ito, guys. And yeah, so I went on eBay and then luckily I found my size 35. Normally 36 ako, guys, but Balenciaga, they actually runs
Do I have the
big.
other one?
May extra pa na
Okay,
shoelace.
that's two days, that's two yours.
Jack and Jill.
I got
Pa siyang
some one
basketball.
too.
Your turn. Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah, your turn.
This is worth the wait. Super worth the wait. Try natin. So this is what it looks like on.
From
Oh,
the
see,
pack that's,
meron siyang mga dirt dyan sa gilid, but seriously guys, that's nothing. It's shoes, right? Like it's meant to be dirty.
And Mary has a little lamp.
Oh, super worth it.
Mama Balenciaga.
Balenciaga. That's why I'm really good at finding, good stuff, guys, online. Yung mga pre-love ba?
One that
You just have to be, madiskarte pagdating sa, mga gusto mong bilhin.
Can you see?
Obviously, I'm not spending 1,400, guys, for shoes. So.
Little Miss Muffet.
Yay! Happy!
Okay, your turn.
I'm going to heat up some food now, guys, para makakain ako kasi I'm hungry. So I'm going to end the vlog today. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it.
This one.
Thumbs up if
Thumbs
you
have
like
this
it.
one.
Thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Careful, bye.